The first screen you see when using your Windows Media Player, or the first time you want to use it, that is if you just finish installation of your Windows, the first time of use, you see this kind of screen. So what do? You have to set it up for this first use. Now it's either you choose the recommended settings or what, the customize what settings. Now the recommended settings, what it said, make Windows Media play the default program for playing media, automatic download and others. Now you can also customize it not to be able to connect with the online stores or play back some kind of files. Now we are going to be using the recommended settings, or we are going to be using the customized settings. Now remember I told you that, or in other package of my videos, I told you that to be able to install some kind of this thing, some kind of files or some kind of programs, if you are using recommended settings, it's going to be automatic. But if it is customized, you're going to choose it based on your particular taste. Alright, now we are going to be using customized settings. Now when you click on that, you can see when you use recommended, what you are going to see is finish button. But when you click on customized settings, the next one is to go to the next step. Now on the other hand, if you are having an internet connection, you can easily click on learn more about recommended settings or read privacy statement online. Now we can click next. Now the next slide, the next step is what you have to now choose. Now enhance playback experience, and you can display what media information from the internet. That is if you are connected to internet. But you may either you may either disable this if you are not internet enabled. That is when your computer is not internet enabled, or you can disable so many things here. You can look at this. It said download. It said download usage rights automatic when I play or synchronize a file. Anything. That's why you can read. You can actually detect your understanding about what this thing means on your own, because Microsoft is very, very friendly. So you can either enable, you can send unique player ID to content providers depending on what you want to do. So if you are music freaked, or depending on what you do, you can use any of these features. So look at this. You can store and display a list of recent frequently played files, music, pictures, videos, or playlists. So we are going to enable this because you are going to be using this one in as far as the settings concerned. Now you can also go to this second tab. These are called tabs. You can go to this second tabs and set what the privacy statement. You can either read them or the other things. Let's check it and see what's there. Now all those are actually online. Your Internet Explorer is executed. So I will close that. I'm not right now, I'm not connected to internet, so you can view statement, everything will connect to internet. So let's continue. You can click next. Now how do you want to use the Microsoft Windows Media Player? Now you either make Windows Media Player the default music and video player, or you can choose others. Now you can choose the file types that Windows Media Player will play, so you can also do that. But if you choose that, you are going to choose some particular type of files. It's either going to be in a wide range or it's going to be limited. But we are going to be using for this particular lesson, we are going to be making use of make Windows Media Player the default music and video player. Now we are going to press our finish. So it's going to set, and now this is it. So we have this already.